How to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, think of the person you suspect might have restricted you. Find one of their posts by scrolling through your feed or their profile. Once you find their post, tap on it to open it up. You should see the picture or video they've posted. Look for the comments section. It's usually beside the post, and you'll see a speech bubble icon. Tap on that icon. Write a comment on their posts. It can be anything, like nice pic, or great post. Now, here's the important part. Reach out to a friend you trust and ask them to check if they can see your comment on that person's post. If your friend can't see your comment, then it's likely that the person has restricted you on Instagram. If you want to double check, remember that if someone has restricted you, they won't respond to your messages. You won't be able to see their activity status or what they're doing on Instagram. So there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can quickly determine if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Remember, communication is key, so don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted friend for confirmation. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.